This year's Royal Rumble has got everyone talking. Hello everyone, it's me Lil Hampton. Today I will give you my predictions for Royal Rumble 2021. So without any further ado, let's do it.
Let's get ready to rumble!
So first match is for the women tag team titles. The champion Charlotte Flair and Asuka versus Nia Jax and Shayna Baszler. So this match, I guess the pick has to be Nia Jax and Shayna Baszler because they lost their title to Charlotte Flair and Asuka, and they are a good team, I think. And Charlotte needs to get back on solo career. She will get her push, and maybe she will lose the title because of Lacey Evans with Ric Flair, obviously. So my pick, Nia Jax and Shayna Baszler. Matches for the SmackDown Women's Championship, Sasha Banks versus Carmella. My pick is Sasha Banks. Let's just close this. Next match is for the Universal Championship. Champion Roman Reigns versus the challenger Kevin Owens in a last man standing match. Roman will win. Let's just close this as well. Thank you. Next match is for the WWE Championship and it's really confusing. Goldberg versus Drew McIntyre. Everyone thinks Drew McIntyre will win. I also want him to win. But Goldberg has taken the world titles 2 times in WrestleMania, in road to WrestleMania, so it can happen again. But will Goldberg win? No. Will Drew McIntyre retain? No. But will we have a new world champ? Correct. I predict that Miz is going to cash in this match and he is going to win the world title. It's the perfect time because I can't hope him to cash in between the road of WrestleMania. It's just starting, so it will make sense to cash in. And Miz becoming world champ is way more better than Goldberg becoming the champ. So my prediction is the Miz. Now next up is the Women's Royal Rumble match. Well, the current favorite to win the Rumble is Bianca Belair, Alexa Bliss, Rhea Ripley, Charlotte Flair, Bayley. I want Bayley to win, but by seeing the current situation, I think it's going to be Bianca Belair. Next up is Men's Rumble. This year's Rumble is way more confusing. Many options to win: Big E, Brock Lesnar, The Rock, and many more. Sheamus, AJ Styles, Daniel Bryan, Nakamura, Cesaro. The list is long. I got 2 options. If Brock Lesnar returns in this Rumble, he has to win. Brock Lesnar will win if he returns. But if Brock Lesnar will not return, then your winner will be Daniel Bryan. So it's either Brock Lesnar or Daniel Bryan. But it seems like I have to pick only one. So I pick Daniel Bryan because it's not sure that Lesnar will show up or not. So my pick is Daniel Bryan. That's it for the video, guys. I will try to make a reaction video for Royal Rumble, and I will meet you next time. Till then, it's me Lil Hamster, and stay too sweet.
Here we go.